they have a camera on it, and Boschetti just out of nowhere had a sneeze, but he couldn't sneeze. You know, I think like Ralph Cram, like and he didn't know the camera was on him, and he didn't know anybody was looking at him. So he starts moving his head to try to sneeze, and his tongue curls up like a cobra or something, and he can't sneeze. And it's the funny. There it is. He's trying to, and they put it in slow motion. He's trying to sneeze, and he never sneezes, but he's trying to desperately. Like, here we go, right?